What's up, creators? Have you ever wondered how some TikToks just blow up overnight? Today, I'm going to share with you the secrets of mastering the art of viral TikToks in just one day. Yep, you heard it, just in 24 hours. The first thing is, let's talk about your foundation of your content. Viral TikToks usually fall into a few categories. Think of trends, challenges, and anything super relatable. You don't have to reinvent the wheel. Sometimes the best ideas are the simplest ones. Go ahead and go to your For You page and see what's trending and put your unique spin on it. Let's focus on the hook. You gotta have 3 seconds to grab someone's attention. The first few moments of your video are crucial, so start with a bang, something shocking, funny, or incredibly related. This will make your viewers stick around and see what happens next. Now, let's talk about storytelling. Even a 15-second TikTok can tell a story. Think of a mini movie. Clear beginning, middle, and end. This structure keeps the viewers engaged and wanting more. Don't forget about the power of music. TikTok is all about audio-visual harmony, so using trending sounds or music can boost your video's engagement. So explore the app's library and choose the perfect soundtrack for your content. Hashtags are also your friend. They categorize your content, make it easy to discover. Use a trend of hashtags, niche-specific hashtags, and few of your own. It's going to boost your video's visibility and reach the right audience. Respond to comments, duet other creators, and collaborate if possible. The more you interact, the more algorithm loves you. Plus, build a community around your content is essential for going viral. Now, on the technical side, lighting and camera quality matters. Natural lighting is your best friend, but if you're focusing on night content, invest in a light. Keep your shot steady and frame your subject well. Visual appealing videos always go viral. Editing also makes and breaks your TikToks. Use jump cuts, snap transitions to make it more engaging. Add text, effects, and filters to make your video stand out. There's a ton of in-app tools to help you. Play around with them and see what works best for you. Consistency is also important. Keep posting and keep experimenting. So there you have it, guys. Follow these tips and you can master the art of viral TikToks in just one day. And remember, the most important is to keep trying and keep going. Catch you on the next one.